In this video, I will show you how to add motion blur to a video in CapCut PC. First, select your clip on the timeline, then go to the Video Settings panel and scroll down until you find the Motion Blur option. Once you open it, you will see two main controls called Blur and Blend. You can adjust the sliders according to your video needs, where increasing the values will add more motion blur and make the movement look more intense. After that, CapCut may take a few seconds to process the effect depending on your clip. You will also notice an option to change the direction, where you can choose forward, backward, or keep both enabled depending on the style you want. Additionally, there is a speed setting where you can select options like 2x, 4x, or 6x, and higher values will increase the strength of the blur effect even more. Every time you change a setting, CapCut will reprocess the video, so just wait a moment for the preview to update. That's basically how you can apply and customize motion blur in CapCut PC to make your videos look more professional and dynamic. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.